Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook stovetop popcorn. First, gather your essential supplies for delicious popcorn. You will need a sturdy 3-quart to 4-quart pot with a secure lid. Select a high smoke point oil, such as coconut or avocado oil, approximately 1/4 of a cup. Have about 1/3 of a cup of quality popcorn kernels ready. This simple setup makes the best snack. Start by adding your chosen oil into the heavy-bottomed pot. Place the pot on your stovetop, setting the heat to a medium-high level. To ensure the perfect popping temperature, add just 3 popcorn kernels to the oil. Wait for these 3 test kernels to pop, indicating your oil is perfectly hot and ready. This small step prevents burnt kernels and ensures fluffy popcorn. Once your test kernels have popped, remove them and then add the remaining 1/3 cup of kernels to the pot. Immediately cover the pot with its lid to trap the heat and steam inside. Begin shaking the pot continuously back and forth across the burner. This constant movement ensures even heating and prevents kernels from sticking or burning. Listen for the vigorous popping to begin. As the popping sounds begin to slow down significantly, perhaps 1 pop every 2 or 3 seconds, remove the pot completely from the heat. Keep the lid on for about 30 more seconds to allow any final kernels to pop. Carefully lift the lid, directing the escaping steam away from your face. Transfer your freshly popped corn to a large bowl and season it generously to your liking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.